How to enable and disable Safesearch on iPhone. To get started, you first need to find Google on your iPhone. Once you find it, open Google on your iPhone. Then, you will be on the homepage of Google. Here, you will be able to search anything in the search bar. From here, you need to tap on Profile at the top right corner of your screen. After that, select the Settings option from the menu. Once you're here, go to Privacy and Safety. Here, you will be able to make changes to your privacy settings. Now, scroll down a little bit. Tap on Safesearch. Then, choose the Blur option from here to hide explicit contents. Or, choose Filter to filter out explicit contents. You can also just turn the Safesearch off to see all relevant results. By following these simple steps, you can enable and disable Safesearch on iPhone.